Um, my name is Gospel. Now, there has been some things that have been going on that I want to explain to you guys. Now, I told you that you can actually solve questions in less than 30 seconds, right? So I'm going to show you a few examples today. That is why I'm creating this short video. My name is Gosplan. I am the anchor of Gosplan's tutorial of creation. Do you get what I'm saying now? Do you know that in Physics 101, there's a topic known as what? Vectorial analysis. Do you know that you can solve any vector questions in less than what? Than 30 seconds. Now let's look at the question. Now, let's say we have two vectors. Right? So let's say this is vector A and vector B. Are you sure? Now, these two vectors is having 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and this one is having 4i minus 6j minus what? Minus 5k. Now, this I means the x component. Your j means the y component, while your k means what? The z component. So in the case that if you have something like vx, vy, and vz, you see the same thing as saying vi, vj, and what? And vk. They are the same thing. So it simply means that the meaning of I means what? Your x component, or we call it the horizontal what? Component. And your j means what? The y component, or we call it the vertical component, or your k means your what? Your z component. Now, let's say you are given a question like this. The vector of A cross product of the vector of B, and they ask you to do this. Now, if you want to solve something like this in the normal way, are you now? You are going to be using what they call matrix method. What will I do? Since you have I, J, and K, that means I'm going to say we have I here, we have J here, and we also have what? K here. Now, what is the first vector? Here is 2 and what? And here is 4. So I'm going to be putting 2, I'm going to be putting 4 here. Now, here is 3 and what? And here is minus 6. I'm going to be putting 3 here and minus 6 here. Here is 4 and here is minus 5. I'm going to be putting 4 here and what? And minus 5 here. Now, you can notice that this is a 3 by 3 what? Matrix. Now, this 3 by 3 matrix will be equal to a cross product B. Are you with me now? Now, if I want to do this thing now, I will say there's a plus here, there's a minus here, and another what? A plus here. Now, if I do the matrix, why do we call this cross product? Because I'm going to be putting my plus sign. Are you there? That is the cross on these things. And by putting the cross on this thing, we call it cross product. Now let me find the determinant of this particular matrix. So if I put that first cross, so the cross will go like this and like this. So what will I have here? 3, 4, minus 6 and what? And minus 5. So here we add a bracket. 3, 4, minus 6, minus 5. Now, there's a minus here, right? The minus will go to this j. This is very careful. So we become minus j into. Now let me put my what? My cross here. Are you with me? If I put my cross here, I will cancel this part, and I also what? Cancel this part. What will remain? 2, 4, 4 and minus 5. So I'm having 2, 4, 4 and minus 5. And the next one, we have positive k plus k. Now, if I put the plus here, you can see that I will cancel this part, and I also what? Cancel this part. What will remain? 2, 3, 4 and what? And minus 6. So that's going to be 2, 3, 4 and what? And minus 6. Now, what will I do next? I will now resolve. Now, therefore, if I want to resolve now, this will multiply this, minus this will multiply this. 3 times minus 15 will give me minus what? 3 times minus 5 will give me minus 15. Now, minus 6 times 4. Minus 6 times 4 will give me minus 24.